Give Thomas a kiss. Mwah.
Joey, look it. Joey, you can put stuff in there too. Oh. That's maybe where you put all your new trains.
He can't keep his trains in here. He'll never go to sleep. What do you think, Joey?
Joey, are you going to sleep here? Good night.
Nighty night.
Night, Thomas. This is your new bed.